welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply fake eyelashes from the drugstore. You can buy these anywhere, literally CVS, Walgreens, Mac, Sephora, Ulta, the list goes on and on. If you want to know how to apply false eyelashes, whether for beginners or maybe you have already but you've been having trouble, you've been struggling, then please keep watching. Do not forget to hit that like button down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, let's begin. Alright, so welcome back to my channel. So as I said, we're going to be doing the application of false lashes today. I have some quick tips before we begin. It'll just take about a minute. But essentially, evidently the first step is to pick your lashes. Your reason should be if there's a certain occasion. You know, if you want to go all glam, if you want to look natural, maybe a job interview, and you just want the small little singular band like strips. You know what I mean? The type of lash you pick also depends on your eye shape, and I'll explain why in a minute. But essentially, I love lashes. I prefer drugstore lashes over going to a lash technician. Why? One, I'm allergic to formaldehyde. Most of the lash technicians use like formaldehyde when they apply the lash band to your eye. That is a big no-no. I'm sure you've seen all those horror stories. If you haven't, pretty sure you can Google it and you can find some. But people's eyes just get really swollen, like they didn't know that they were allergic to formaldehyde. That's very important. If you don't know if you're allergic to formaldehyde, then I do not recommend lash extensions. I recommend small drugstore eyelashes, formaldehyde-free glue. I'll go into that in a minute. And yes, so as I said, it depends on the occasion. If you're looking to wear them every day like I do, I love it. I love it because yes, I do stick to one band. If you'll see me in all my videos, I really do just like certain types of eyelashes, at least I found over the years. Certain eyelashes may look good on others, people that you see on Instagram, YouTube, whatever, but it may not fit on your eye because your eye is just shaped differently. And that's okay. We're all unique. So, as I said, first pick based on your occasion, or if this is something new, then I would suggest pick small eyelashes. So when you're trying out lashes, I recommend a band. First of all, a slim band, always, because your eyelashes are not meant to carry so much weight. So, as I said, thin lash band. Now this one is one of my favorites. I do love Kiss lashes. I do love Ardell lashes. You may see them sometimes in my videos as I'm filming. This is just the one that I'm wearing right now. Kiss, and it's called Royal Silk. So yes, they are long, but they suit me and my face and my eye shape and everything in between. So I do love them. I do recommend Kiss or Ardell, like I said. For eyelash glue, I do recommend Kiss. I've used them for so long. I don't even know how long. I recommend ones that are formaldehyde free. So as I said, this is Kiss. As you can see right here in the fine print, it says formaldehyde free. I also recommend getting the lash glue adhesive that matches the color of your eyeliner. So today I'm wearing black eyeliner, just a small amount, to match the black lash glue. So now that we're done with that, when you get new lashes, what you want to do, you want to bend it over your index finger or your thumb, either one, just so that it becomes a bit more flexible. Why? Because when you get lashes and they're placed in a little container, your eye shape isn't the shape of the container. Evidently, all eye shapes are different. So I usually just hold it around my finger. Just hold it around your finger. Looks like a little spider. Hold it around and let it stay there for about a minute or so. And the reason you want to do that is, like I said, you want it to be flexible. You want it to fit your eye, and you want it to be easily bendable. Do you see what I'm saying? You also want to do this after you're done with the minute. So, minute passed, and you just want to do this. You're gonna bend the lash, like I said. Alrighty, next step is the eyelash glue. So as I said just a few moments ago, formaldehyde free. If you don't know if you're allergic to formaldehyde, if you've ever had a keratin treatment and your eyes start to irritate, you're allergic to formaldehyde. The chemical that gets released when you're doing keratin treatments is formaldehyde. I know that because it happened to me. So formaldehyde is a no-no. Once you get a formaldehyde-free glue, because again, if it's your first time, you don't know if you're allergic to it, and if you do know, even better. Next step is to apply this onto the band. Now you're going to apply a thin amount. See if you guys can see this. Okay, do you see that? Literally the smallest amount. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to the band. I put a little bit, like that much, and then I just spread it out. Any of the excess, I usually end up wiping off with this part of the applicator of the glue stick. Some people like to apply glue on their hands and then run their eyelash through it. I'm okay with not doing that, but that's just me. You wait a little bit. I would say wait about 30 seconds because you want the glue to be tacky. At this point, it's a bit more of a liquid, and if it's a liquid, then it's gonna move too easily. I glue in it a little bit. The next thing that you need are tweezers. Okay, so there are different types of tweezers. These are just ones that I've always used. There's one, I'll probably insert a photo here, but there's one that has the shape of a lash band. You're welcome to use that as well. I know actually that may come with the lash glue in some of the lash glues at the drugstore. Doesn't matter. If you already have a pair of tweezers, just use that. You're good to go. Like I said, we're gonna wait. Alrighty, our 30 seconds are up. So we're going to apply this. Quick tip, apply this from the outside in. I don't know how I'm gonna do this looking at the camera, looking at my mirror, but from the outside in. Why? If you apply it from the inner corner to the outer corner, you may apply it too far in and it's gonna start poking your lid or poking this part of your face. And that's also very irritating, no matter what lash band, no matter what lash you're using. I do it as far as I can, which is just to the end of the outer corner of my eyelash, upper eyelash line, and then I pull it in. So let's see if I can do this on camera. All right, that's fine. Then I pull the inside. Perfect. I think I did it. Wow. Proud of myself, because usually I have to look down. Whoop. Oh, no, I did not. Whoop. Make sure the inner corner and the outer corner, well, the whole lash band is on your eyeline. Ooh. Apply it right on top of your lashes. That's just what I do. Some people apply it underneath. I can't do that. The glue would just irritate. Wow. Do you see this? I look innocent and I look amazing. It's just me. I just love lashes, so. Hey love, so this is the final look with both eyelashes on. I didn't do my eyebrows because I wanted you guys to really see the look of eyelashes, of what they can do to your eyes without too much makeup. So obviously I have foundation on, contour, highlight, lipstick, but I didn't do my eyebrows and I didn't do eyeshadow. I did a little bit of eyeliner just so you guys can see how I would normally apply it on. So yeah, this is it. Obviously eyelashes make a huge difference. Highly recommend them, and I highly recommend you first try drugstore ones, especially to see if you are allergic to formaldehyde or not. But yeah, either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to comment down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.